All right. We're here. The countdown is on. What will Trump do? We have oil up like 2.5%. And Q's down 0.66%. Hopefully someone joins in today. That'd be great. If not, oh well. Just another lonely day, you know? We got Nvidia down 1.25%. Tesla's down 3.18%. Tesla's been going down hard. As the Trump deadline looms, U.S. President Donald Trump says whole civilization will die tonight. That's some fighting words. But he ended it with something revolutionary. Revolution. Is that even a word? Revolutionary. Lee? I guess. Wonderful can happen. Who knows, he says. Is there a trade to be made here? I mean, oil's kind of rejecting up here on the VWAP. Well, then Q's going down as well. At least we're above 24,000. That's a good sign. But I think the action's probably going to happen around, well, when's the deadline again? 8 p.m. Eastern. So we still got time. In 7 hours. Might see fireworks. Or like a last minute deal we just pump. Trump's putting unnecessary pressure on himself, to be real. But it is the art of the deal, you know? Maybe the play is just threaten him into submission and get on offer. Apple made a decent move. I bought Apple today at around 247. Still down 2.7% for the day. Well, let's see what happens. Iran. What other news was there? JD Vance was talking. He didn't say much though. Got a Fed speaker or two, I think, that might be talking today. Yeah, Goolsby speaking in like 15 minutes. Jefferson speaking in a couple hours. Oh, I got 9 subscribers? Sweet. Working on getting a camera set up. Key island attack. The U.S. struck military targets overnight on Iran's strategic Karg Island, from which almost all the country's oil is exported. But apparently did not hit oil facilities. Well, the deadline's today, 8 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Pacific. I'm down 62%, made a couple trades. Last night had like 4 or 5 trades in a row that went negative, then I just stopped trading. Not much volume. There's 65 contracts at 24,150. There's like 113 contracts at 24,120. Some more volume to the downside, but I want to consider that a signal. But price likes to go to liquidity, and that's where the liquidity is, to the downside. We're hitting my zone of resistance and support here. That box, the purple box on the chart. Is Goolsby live right now? Yeah, Goolsby's live right now. Oh, can you hear this? Trying to get the audio working here. I don't know why the audio's not working. That's weird. Can't get the audio working. Huh. Well, if you want to watch the audio, I guess go to the Detroit PBS YouTube channel. Can't figure out a way how to. I can't figure out how to put on the audio for this. That stinks. Weird. How do I link this to, hold on, maybe I can do this. No, that's not working either. Alright, it's a nothing burger anyways. He's not talking about anything important. Well, let's see. Let's look at the charts. I mean, I had a nice bounce right there. Could we retest these highs? It's possible. Let's put a buy order in. I'll put a stop there. we can get like at least up into this territory, that's a decent trade right there. You know what? I'll be back in like 5 minutes. Okay, that was a nice pump there. Shouldn't have walked away, I guess. Yeah, let's put another long. Let's see if this is going to continue. check out the book map. We have, there's no volume. It's clearing up. I mean, there's some big volume coming in here. Under contracts. Nice. Rejected, just 24,299. Let's see if we can get this higher. Come on. Let's see what oil's doing. Oil could bottom out here. That was not probably the best long. Dang. Shouldn't have walked away from the screen, you know? Always walk away at the wrong time. I might want to hold here because, I mean, they got these guys. That was a perfect bounce. I never used a trailing stop. If I had a trailing stop, that would have been a great trade. Could have got like 100 points. Let's see if there's any new news. Any new news here? Iran ambassador, the UN Secretary General's personal envoy is currently en route to Tehran to pursue consultations. Okay, that was how long ago? 8 minutes ago. Let's see, let's add another one here. I kind of want to add a bunch more, but my rule is usually like one contract like every 5 minutes. It's already broke that rule. So I made 2 contracts in 5 minutes. I guess I'm still within my rule. Well, there's no one watching, so no one can criticize me. I'm down $95 on this trade, and it's not looking good. Oh, no, it's not looking good at all. Ouch. Alright, we're gonna add another one. Is it gonna retrace all this news? To hedge this position, going long oil would be the move. Let's see where the volume's at. There's not much volume now. Bunch of orders did come in. They all got taken out with that wick right here. Up to 24,299. Let's look at equities here. Apple made a nice push. Nvidia's rolling over. So is Tesla. Tesla's just looking horrible. I got like $9,000 in like long terms in Tesla. I'm down like 1,000, like $1,500 on that. Well, too bad no one's watching my stream. Yeah, this is not looking too good. I mean, oil had that nice bearish engulfing, but it's recovering again. And that's only a 1 minute chart, so it doesn't even matter. Might have to get out of this trade. My max position size, I usually like to have like no more than 10 micros, so like 1 mini. And yeah, that's rejecting off the VWAP. Actually, VWAP's way down there. I hate Top Step X, their VWAP. Oh, actually, this is my MA, isn't it? That's a 9 MA. Oh, there it goes. Dumping it. Come on, oil, dump it. Nice to get a Truth Social right now. Trump saying something positive. Let's see if the good old president said anything. 5 hours ago? 3 hours ago? Yeah, nothing recent. Ah, man. That just engulfed the whole move. Yeah, that does not look good. Okay, I'm gonna add another. It's ugly. There's no pattern. There's nothing going on here. It's a hope and pray trade right now. And can we get a bounce off the EMA? No. Equities are just rolling over. US dollars going up. Dixie's at 99.86. Let's put a couple more orders here. Let's get into full position. Let's try to get out of this. If not, just gonna flatten. Let's put this back on the 1 minute. Just need this candle to engulf this candle, and they were looking pretty good. At least to get out. Ouch. Look at that, man. Look at the VWAP. VWAP is like flat. So that's not good. It made a move up and the VWAP didn't even move. Just give me a little pump. Get me out of this. Just get me out of this, please. And is it going to reject off the 9MA? Okay, let's move this up and let's slowly get out of here. Alright, took one out. And that's a rejection off the 9MA. Just kind of want to break even. That's not going to happen. Ouch. Yeah, there's no volume. Anything can happen. Let's just hold on. I'm willing to give up like $500, I guess. I'm already there. Like 2, 3. I'm already at 300. Let's go take one of my cells. Alright, I took one. I hate when that happens. I'm going to slowly get this position out. Hopefully it pumps a bit. I just want to get out. I just want to break even now. Come on, one more pump. Okay. All right. That's an ugly wick. Oil's wick in there. Like, come on. Follow through. Let's go back down to 100. The book map looks kind of empty. I mean, there's like some orders. There's an order of 56, 32s. That's something. If you can break through that wick, I'm going to put a stop like around 240 area. If you can just break that wick. Let's get rid of one more. Just trying to break even right now. Alright, there. Oh, okay, whatever. That was horrible trading right there. But it is what it is. I'll be back. Okay. Well, that was a good exit, I guess. Let's see if anyone's watching. No one's watching. Nice. Well, no one wants to just hear my breathing either, so. We got some liquidity up at 24,300. That'd be a great place to go again. Retest the highs. But we're getting closer and closer to the deadline. I think we're going to see $150. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. We got some activity going on. That's a wick. Let's rip it up to the upside. Come on, let's go. Nvidia didn't break the previous high, which was like 20 minutes ago. Apple's trying to mess around here. They had a bunch of volume at like an hour ago, but it's retracing the whole move. If I had some viewers, I can like discuss something, but I'm just talking to myself essentially right now. Yeah, the bookmark's dead. Not much volume. There's tens of contracts at every like dollar. Getting closer and closer to the deadline. It's 11 a.m. Pacific time right now. And the deadline's at 5 p.m. Pacific. So we're 6 hours away from Trump's our deadline for Iran. See what happens. I don't know if I should keep that like mic close to my. Like, should I keep it far away? Is this better? I think that's better. I don't think I need it right by my mouth. You can hear all my breathing and stuff. Oh, I still got the 5-minute thing on. Oh, I'm back. All right, take that off. We got a lower high. We're going to make another lower high. Break down to the zone again. VWAP's still way down there at 24,180. This VWAP ain't right. There you go. That's how you reset the top step VWAP. Or VWAP. I'm streaming, but I'm competing with Top Step, and these guys are the best. They got Jack, Mohammed, and Vince on right now. I kind of want a long here, but it's just very dangerous. I mean, like we got support here. Look at all that support. Maybe we can put on a. Alrighty, I'm back. What's the market doing? Oh, it's back into the resistance zone. See what happens here. Let's check out the truth socials here. When was this? A whole civilization will die tonight, never to be brought back again. I don't want that to happen, but it probably will. However, now that we have a complete and total regime change, where different, smarter, and less radicalized minds prevail, maybe something revolutionary, wonderful can happen. Who knows? We will find out tonight. One of the most important moments in the long and complex history of the world. 47 years of extortion, corruption, and death will finally end. God bless the great people of Iran. That was the last tweet from the dear president. I mean, that should be positive. Let's go long. Let's go. I mean, that's like a 50-50 tweet right there. He's kind of saying, oh, that was 6 hours ago? Oh, God. My bad. That wasn't even a latest tweet. I thought that was 6 minutes ago. Thought that was a recent tweet. Alright, I think I might have to get out of this. I'm getting out of that. We have Vince on Top Step going long on equities. That was a pretty big pump. How many points was that? Let's see. 122 points. Started like an hour ago. And now we all went all the way back. We pull a fib on here. Yeah. We're right around here. Well, we're pretty close to power hour. We'll see what happens here. End of the day might be pretty exciting because you know there's insider traders. We get a billion buy side on the MOC for it to pump and to just dump and it turns into like a billion shorts. I mean, Tesla's just not looking good. Nvidia's trying to make a push up. Everything's down. What's up? United Healthcare. United Health Group is up 10%. I think I got a couple shares in that. Yeah, I don't have much money in United Healthcare. It's up 10% though. Broadcom's up 5.3%. Chevron's up 1%. Intel's up almost 3%. Google's up 1.2%. Netflix is down 0.25%. ExxonMobil's down 0.6%. Other than that, everything's down. Qualcomm, Oracle, Silver, Costco, Nvidia, ConocoPhillips, all down. Well, Vince is out now from his long. I'm gonna step All right, we're back. Equities rolling over. Oil's going up. We're at the VWAP. Could be a nice long here. I don't know if that's going to be worth it though. We've had a pretty strong push down with not much volume, so there's that. Supporting your long thesis. Anything from DT? Let's see if DT said anything. Two major here's some pharmaceutical stuff. Yeah, nothing new from Trump. No, I think we gotta wait till the deadline, see if anything actually happens, or are we gonna see a major escalation in this war here? Tesla just keeps dumping. What's the market cap of Tesla right now? 1.28 trillion still? Wow. All right, we're breaking through VWAP. Are we gonna go to like overnight lows here? It's possible. So we're down 0.75% on NQ. Oil's up almost 1.5%. I mean, it's going. It's making a move. Tax season's coming up too. It's pushing down. We pushing down, boys. I'd like to put a short here, but this might bounce up, take these guys out. Little green candles and giant red candles. That's what we're seeing right now. We're down 142 points from the highs of today. And we're pushing past through VWAP. I mean, there's some support down here, but like, is support even a thing right now? Hopefully we'll see some sort of action. Well, that's going to be after hours, I guess. Overnight's going to be wild. The close today is going to be wild. We're getting close to the power hour here, 17 minutes away. And this keeps going down. Keep going down, buddy. Oh, we got someone. Oh, wow. I got some comments. I can't even say official Citadel of Greatness. And Williams Matthew. J4V. Thanks for stopping by. Oh, you guys left. That sucks. Well, thanks for stopping by at least. Oh, there's 2 watchers. There's someone watching. Whoever's watching, say what's up. Is it William or the official Citadel of Greatness? Or someone else? I mean, is this setting up for like a big dump just to pump like after hours? Kind of looks like it. I'm positive $2.82 today, so that's better than negative. Better than nothing. See if we got any. I think there's a Fed speaker coming up. Oh, here's some. IMF's managing director, Georgieva. The world is ill-equipped for another shock after COVID. No doubt. Blessings for Ami. Thanks for stopping by. What's wow? What's the wow here? I'm still going down. That's wow. Oh, messed up my box there. These purple boxes are my support resistance areas. I mean, it just rolled past that one. Now the question is it going to hold support rate like at around 24,125 area? We have a bunch, some support. I mean, volume's low, so it's hard to say. Well, we got 9 subscribers and oh, someone's watching. Someone's watching. If anyone's here, say what's up in the chat, please. Start a conversation. Are you trading? Are you in a position? Where are you from? Anything. It's hard to talk to yourself for a couple hours straight. William Matthews, Citadel of Greatness. Blessing for Ami. Are any of you guys in here? Or you guys stopped by and just said what's up and left? I don't know what's worse. You finally get someone watching you and you don't respond to them and they leave, or just like no one watches you. What's worse? I mean, this is some resist support. There is some support here. If it breaks down, I mean, are we gonna like lose 24,000? That's a possibility for sure. And oil's making a move up too. There's some resistance here. Is gonna pop through that. That'll make equities go down for sure. It looks like the move. Remember, they're probably setting up for some positions for the Iran Stone Age attack. We're about what? We're not too many hours away. When's the attack gonna happen again? I forgot. I think it was like 5 p.m., like 4 hours or. Why can't I find like actual time here? So 8 p.m. Eastern. So yeah, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern. That's the deadline. Hopefully we don't see too much action in the Priscilla. Why do you guys have all the same numbers? You guys got like numbers and like letters in the back. Is that a YouTube thing? I don't even know. Seems like a random question. No one's actually participating. William, blessings, official. Priscilla. Are you guys real people? Or you just stopping by, leaving a comment? Whatever. It's cool. Interesting. Wow. Interesting. Well done, bro. Interested. It's all the same comments. That's weird. Oh, it is what it is. We got 9 subscribers. That's cool. Tesla's still going down. Everything's still going down. It'd be real. I was gonna say it'd be interesting, but that's because I'm just reading the comments. 3 of 6 half the comments are just interesting. Interested. It's the same word. Whatever. It is what it is. Pretty bots. Yeah, there's not. Oh, I still got that back in 5 minutes overlay on. Oh. Oops, my bad. And we're still going down. Yeah, let's put order in. It hit my resistance zone. So quick, like 5 point move. And it keeps going down. Wow. Look at oil go. Oil to the moon. Doesn't even look like we're going to hold support. We're at a place where it's untradeable. I mean, everything's tradable, but it's just not the best risk to reward at this point. I mean, a short here can continue and you can make some money. But oil's way up there right now. Made me do it. I convinced myself. Still a 1-to-1. Manual stop out. Alright, take that off as well. Yeah, shorts are working right now. They're killing it. Look at that. What a move. So this is the next support resistance area. We're down here. 24,000 area. I might have to step away for like 5 minutes. Give it some time to marinate. Appreciate anyone that stopped by, left a comment. That's awesome. Thank you very much. All right, let's see. The market's still on its way down. Oh, I gotta take this thing off. Hello, Enzo Design. Are you here? Thanks for saying hi. Appreciate it. If you're still here, are you in a position or what's going on? We got a couple green candles here. Volume's still pretty much dead. Got a few contracts with upside, but I don't think we see higher than 24,140 at this point. But I don't want to take a trade either. Yeah. Keeps going down. Down, down, down. That seems like the move. Mandy on Top Steps going long. Oh no, she's going short. And oil, did it reach a top? I mean, it didn't break through, but it still can. A little bit of a sell off, right back up. See, this is a hard position right now. Like oil, like will it pump up here? Or it's gonna get rejected. Can it break 115, $115.50? Doesn't look like it. Like here, you know what? Let's put in a short. Let's see where this goes. Profit target. Like I'm looking for 24,000 right now. We test 24,000. Probably even go lower than that. Maybe see 22,980. Oh. Ouch. Alright, just gonna get out of that. Alright, got out of that. Scratch. But look at that candle. That's just to get the last people, the last shorts, get them out and then dump it. Alright, let's see what this next minute candle does. Okay. It's trying to pump up, that's fine. Olosulamadalola. No. Olusoldamala. Olusoldamala? Is that the name? Thanks for stopping by. I don't know if you're a real person. If you are, appreciate it. We got some headlines. Iranian officials are still talking to the Americans. I guess, who are they really talking to? They're talking to Kushner and Whitecoff? No. Kushner and this other guy. I forgot his name now. Great. Witkoff. Wet off or Witkoff? Witkoff. Kushner, Witkoff still talking to the Iranians. That's good news. That's good news for equities, that's for sure. Surya Ohowumi. Nice work. Thank you. Appreciate it. Well, we got a little pump here on MNQ. What are we looking at here for the VWAP's up there? I mean, it can touch a VWAP again. If it can stay above VWAP, that's bullish. If it rejects off that, we're still bearish. Well, we're getting a little push up here. Oil is still up there. I mean, anything can happen. If oil just pumps another like few bucks, I mean, MNQ can definitely go down to 24,000. We need to test 24,000, I feel like. See if there's any news here on top that they're saying U.S. consumer credit February. No, there's nothing. No, the deadline. This is it. This is the one. What's gonna happen? Trump-Iran deadline. Is it gonna be a nothing burger, a taco, as they say? Are we gonna get a Taco Tuesday? Oh, Mandy's long on Top Step. Mandy's a good trader. She always be making profits. Alex Emily, G8G. Thanks for stopping by. Looks like it wants to pop again, but it's looking at resistance at $24,173. Oil was kind of trying to break down. We have VWAP. We're getting close to VWAP at 24,177. Oh, well, we blew past VWAP. Like a short here would be kind of stupid, but we're in resistance. It's too big of a stop. Not worth it. Let's see if we reject VWAP. Remain above. If we remain above it for a couple of minutes, that's oh wow! Here we go. So is there some news that just came in? Let's see what happened. Pakistan Prime Minister Sharif requests Trump to extend Iran deadline for 2 weeks. All right. So I mean, is USA even talking to Pakistan? That's a question. Because I don't even think the Americans showed up for that meeting. Like who was like Kushner didn't go. Oh wow. I think I got caught. Oh, I got caught. I gotta get out of that. Alright, let's get out of that. I thought I was just gonna keep going. It still might. Alex, Emily, I already shot you out. Oh, it's only me watching, anyways. There has to be some bigger news. Did Trump release a truth? Let's see. Let's check out Trump's truth. I don't know. People are tweeting like crazy right now. Okay. 3 minutes ago, to the great patriots in Georgia. Georgia's 14th congressional district. Get out and vote today. Okay, here, that's nothing to do with the war here. Okay. Yeah, there's not much. Trump hasn't released anything important. Do I still have that back in 15 minutes logo thing on? No, I don't. Nice. So we got 39 minutes left in the trading day. I think the move's gonna happen after hours. Might have to get into my personal account and throw some NQs out there. Tesla just keeps dumping. Got some nice bumps on Meta, Nvidia, Microsoft, Exxon, but Tesla's just not doing a good job right now. Oh, actually, I had it on the 4 hour. Actually, it's doing the same thing as Nvidia, but it's still down 2.83% Tesla. All right, I'll be back at 5. Missed that trade pretty much. All right. Had a nice push up there. Boom, double top. Are we going to dump it now? That would make the most sense. Dump it to oblivion. And got some money set aside to like put into the long terms. But I'm going to wait it out for this news event. I might miss out. My financial advisor was like, hey, you might miss a pump. I'm like, you know what? I'd rather miss the pump and just like get into the dump. Like 23,000. Like if we can get like 1,000 point dump today, that'd be amazing. Oops. Oh, what the? Hold on a second. What happened here? Okay. We got Andre, Jack, and Mandy on Top Step. Oh, I always forget to take that off. My bad. Can we get let's see what the oils, it's going up. If you look at the order book here, there's not much volume. It's pretty even up and down. The closest volume is 24,200, but that's like 10, 20 contracts on the NQ. So it's not much. It'd be cool to get a viewer. Someone view me, please. David the Birth. Thanks for this. You know what? Thank you. Thanks for stepping by and leaving. Because there's only one viewer. Wish people would stay longer. Have a little conversation. get a little bit of conversation and a little bit of action. It'd be nice to have someone in here and be like, yo, bro, you're breathing too much into the mic, or you're not talking enough, or you're not talking about the right things, or something. Flat's the move right now, if anything. Oh, do I still got that 5 minute, be back in 5 minute thing on? Thought I had that off. Oh, I do have it off. Oh, oops. I'll put it back on and put it back off. Well, we're above VWAP. That's a positive for the bulls. Maybe we touch VWAP and bounce from here, or if we go back under VWAP, I mean, it's still bearish. And I mean, the trend is usually your friend, and we're down 0.65% on the NQ. Let's see here. That's a pretty nice candle there, that green one. It's more volume than the last couple candles. So that's a positive for the bulls. Official miracle. N1F. I'm great, brother. How are you? You in any position? Where are you from? You trading or just watching? I feel like everyone that comments is just like a bot. It's like, hello, everyone. It's like, bro, there's only 2 people watching. Who's everyone? Just say hello, Randy. That's all you gotta say. To make it real. I'm gonna gain like 4 or 5 subscribers today, but they don't seem real. I had a couple of real guys in yesterday, like 1 or 2. That's what what's real, when someone actually like responds. Like I say something, you respond in chat. Oh, official miracle responding back. Are you trading? Official miracle. Are you trading today or any day? Oh, you're from the US. That's a pretty broad location. Usually people from the US would be like, yo, I'm from this state. I'm from California. I'm from Fresno. Well, that's cool. Are you trading anything? Official miracle? Are you using your personal money or like a prop account maybe? I'm watching the Top Step stream right now. They're going long. Oh, here we go. Let's see a push. And rejected. Ouch. So there might be some news. Let's see. Is there any news? Not really. Oops. Okay, so that should be resistance. Let's buy a little bit more here. I'm looking at oil. I wanted to dump. Otherwise, this is not a good play. That was a good candle, but like that wick on top doesn't look good. And it's pulling down again. Equities are rolling up. Let's see if we can put another long in. No, I should have let that candle finish though. Okay, there you go. There you go. There you go. Alright, we're out. Boom. $260. Let's go. What's the news? There's some news. There has to be some news. To the Great Plains of Georgia, no. Oh God, what a move! All right, we're gonna 50% retracement here, and if we see continuation, okay, the ceasefire. So we pumped on a ceasefire, guys. I guess we gotta wait now. Okay, well, let's just wait for Donald Trump's tweet. We're 13 minutes from market close. I'm probably not gonna make any more trades. Thanks for tuning in. All the bots in the chat and the few subscribers I got. I have 11 subscribers, but I know they're all fake. By the way, if anyone tuned in, we're up. We're $360. I think I only made a trade on one XFA. Alright, I guess we're gonna. Well, might as well just keep going. I guess I could put it on pause. Alright, I'm gonna step back. Yeah, it's looking bullish. I mean, I was gonna trap everyone and just like take all the shorts out. Mercy Williams. Some generic names. Mercy Williams. Dash P1R. N1F. N1F. It's funny. 60 for 71 watching now. That can't be real, people. Are 71 people actually watching? Someone put something in the chat. There can't be that many people watching. If there is, appreciate it. Do I still have that back in 15-minute thing on? No, I got it off. Sweet. Mercy. You call me bro, but you got a woman's name. Yeah. So there's 3 minutes left in the trading until New York session. Why is there so many people watching and no one commenting? This is not real, man. If there's actually 103 people watching, there should be at least someone commenting. Like, come on, bros. Someone say something. If someone's actually listening, come say something. Tell me your position. Tell me what country you're from. If not, then I know. This is just some bot stuff. And I have 12 subscribers. Those are probably all fake. Well, if there's 105 people watching, I'm sorry. It's the end of the day. There's only 2 minutes left. I'm not going to be making any more trades until the Iran deadline, which we already got positive news about. There might be extending it. Let's see. Is there any other news? Senior Iranian officials. Iran positively reviewing Pakistan's request for a 2-week ceasefire. Okay. That was the last positive news. And we're still going up. Should we put in one last cheeky trade? Or is that going to just destroy me? Let me see the... If you look at the order book here, I mean, there's some orders, but it's still it's thin. There's 62 orders up at 24,400. Will we go tag that right now, or there? Let's see if we can tag it. Oh wait, oops! I thought it was gonna go, and we're gonna put a stop right there. Right at break even, essentially. Great pump right here. Oh, okay, it took me out. We got like a bearish candle going here. We'll engulf this whole candle. And that's it. We reached 1 p.m. Pacific time. Mercy Williams. I am great, and thanks for clapping. I appreciate it. But it doesn't look like no real people in here. That's fine. Someone spam botted me or whatever you call it. Actually, no one's spamming either, so that's weird. Alright, volume's about to dry up. There's like 52 orders at 24,400. Will we go reach that? Let's see. Let's put another order. And if this candle turns red, I'm getting out. Will it break through? Alright, let's just get out. Alright, that's it. Alright. I mean, it says there's 100 people watching, but I doubt it. I don't think that's true. How about this? The first 10 people to comment, I'll put them in a draw to win a free combine on Top Step. A 50K combine. If anyone's watching. Just say the secret word. Live trading. Anyone that puts live trading into the chat gets a draw into getting a Top Step 50K combine. And if you pass it, I'll pay your activation fee. And no one responds. Yeah, that makes sense. 100 people watching, no one responds to a free giveaway. Come on, bro. Well, maybe I should have kept that long. Well, Top Step are only allowed to trade till 1:10. Or 10 minutes after New Year close. So we got 7 minutes. Yeah. Like it says I got 100 viewers and I want to keep the stream going, but that's not even true. No one's engaging. First person to say hi, I'll send them $100. $100 US. First person to say live trading. In the next 60 seconds. Starting now. All had like two nice dumps. Doesn't look like it wants to do the third. Do we see oil at $150 today? Say yes or no, and I'll give you $200. In the next 60 seconds. From the 100 people watching, obviously no one's listening. 108 people watching. Yeah, sure. That's what they all say.